The cosmic microwave background, CMB, is often considered the afterglow of the Big Bang, offering clues to the universe's early conditions. Scientists use sensitive instruments like the Planck satellite to reveal temperature fluctuations in the CMB, which act as cosmic fingerprints. These fluctuations unveil the universe's age, composition, and expansive growth patterns. Recent advancements have shed light on how these patterns challenge our understanding of concepts like dark energy and the cosmic web. By analyzing the CMB, astronomers piece together a cosmic puzzle, continuously refining our view of the universe's structure and evolution. This exploration intrigues with its potential to unlock mysteries about cosmic expansion and the formation of galactic structures, ultimately propelling curiosity about our universe's grand design.